स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar Education. In this video, we will going to talk about target top law colleges by cracking MH Law CET 2021. 23rd April to 29th of May. So आपका बोर्ड एग्जाम का ये जो डेट है, ये एग्जाम के डेट के बाद ही आपका अप्रोक्सीमेटली फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून या सेकेंड वीक ऑफ जून आपका एग्जाम MH Law CET 2021 का होगा। नाउ अब आपके पास अगर देखे जाए तो सिर्फ 2 महीने है, दैट इज फेब मंथ एंड मार्च मंथ। दिस इज 2 months are remaining because April, if you think you will be going to, it will be completely involved in your board exam preparation. So what you will do for this particular MH Law CET 21, how you can crack this and how you can go for a top law colleges, we will going to discuss in this video. So before we going to proceed ahead, Manwar has launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific to law entrance examination. We will going to put all the live sessions of law which is on your comment basis. We will going to put all the videos of the law. So do subscribe this channel and share with your friends also, because sharing is caring, and we will going to give you best coaching for law preparation. You can call on our board line number 8828581455. Now friends, we have launched a preparation booster, that is Manwar Crash Course. It is a 5-stage booster. Now in this 5 stages, how you will going to prepare, we will going to teach you, in this we will see. So first it will be basic concept and super shortcuts. So in this basic concept, we will going to teach you basic and advanced concept, and you will also be provided with the ebooks. Now super shortcut, in a very less time, how you can solve mathematical and logical reasoning problems. We will going to give you all the shortcuts and tricks. Now after this there will be GK enhancer. हम लोग आपको जनरल नॉलेज एंड करंट अफेयर्स के बुक्स और प्रैक्टिस करवाएंगे, जिससे आपका जनरल नॉलेज एंड जीके करंट अफेयर जो है वो सारी चीजें एनहांस हो जाएंगी। नाउ 80 आवर्स मैराथन लेक्चर एंड डाउट क्लासेस। 80 आवर्स ऑफ मैराथन लेक्चर्स होंगे। इट विल बी कंप्लीटली गाइडशिप, मेंटरशिप ऑफ एक्सपर्ट जो एग्जाम क्रैक किए, टॉपर्स के एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस होंगे। डाउट क्लासेस, you will be fully prepared for your examination. So 80 hours marathon lectures will be there. Now bunches of 5000 questions for practice. My dear students, we will going to give you 5000 questions. In the examination there will be 150 questions which is a objective base. Now with the huge number of 5000 questions, you don't have to prepare from anywhere. Now 5000 question is enough, which will boost your preparation. Now judge yourself. This is one of the most important thing, that after preparation, after doing so many preparation, you should give topic test, full length test and mock test. So we are going to provide you full test, topic test and mock test. With that you can evaluate yourself and you can judge yourself. After giving this particular mock test, you will be fully confident that yes, you can crack this law entrance examination. So call on our board line number. We have our board line number, that is 8828581455. so you can join this particular crash course, which is very good for your MH Law CET 2021. आपने MH Law CET क्रैक किया, so आपको कौन कौन से colleges, these are the top most law colleges of Mumbai as well as Maharashtra. So you can get admission into this particular college, like GLC is there, ILS Pune is there, GJ Advani Law College is there, JCCI Law College is there. Friends, the list is huge. Okay, so after cracking or after having good score in MH Law CET 2021, you can get into this colleges. और इसके बाद आपके जो कंपनीज इन कॉलेजेस में रिक्रूट करती है, लाइक खैतान इज देयर, अग्रवाल लॉ एसोसिएट्स इज देयर, AZB Partners is there, Anand and Anand there, Ellen and Shardul Amarchand, Mangaldas. These are the law firms which recruit the students of these top colleges of Mumbai as well as Maharashtra. And the salary package which you will going to get, it will be approx 10 lakh, highest will be 10 lakh, average will be 5 lakh and lowest will be 3 lakhs. Friend, this is the approx salary which you will going to get, and it depends upon how you are performing in your academics. It is totally dependent upon that. So 3 years का आपका जो law course है and 5 years का जो भी law courses है, according to that ये आपके salary packages decide होते हैं. So this is how it is there. Now you can join our Manwar online program. So you can order books, mock test, sectional course, full course. You can also attend our live lectures for the crash course. We have online program. You can call on 8828581455. You can also visit our website manwaredu.com/law entrance. We have classroom preparation at Mumbai, where our branches are at Borivali, Dadar, Vasai. Friends, this is the strategic preparation, how to target top law colleges by giving Maharashtra Law CET. So this is all about the Law CET. Thank you.